Hello. In this tutorial I will show you how to create 3D object like this. For dimensions we use canvas. So let's start new sketch. Then we can calibrate this canvas. We can use calibrating points here. It's 117, so click there and then there. And type 117. So now we have this canvas plane. We can move it a little bit here, like somewhere there. And now we can create sketch. We can press R for sketch. Now we can first draw this polygon. So let's create polygon. Click here and then there. Then we can set this vertical line and then press D for dimension tool. And this is 117. And after this we can create construction line here, and dimension of construction line is 139. Then we can draw this circle, press X to normal line, and this is 40. And then we can draw this arc. So let's create this center point arc. Then click here, there. And dimension of this is R40. And now we can see we can move this. So let's create construction lines for that. And draw here construction line. Another here. Then we can click this content and here. So now that's attached and cannot move. Now we can use pattern tool here. Then select this here and then center point there. And now it creates pattern here. And after that we can draw center point arc. We can just click there and there. Then we can click here, here, and then somewhere there and there. Now we can change them normal lines like that. Then click here and let's that there, there, and this one there. And now dimension of this R25. So let's type it here. And then we can use this equal tool. Click here, then here, and here. Now they are all same dimensions. And then we can extrude this like that. Thank you for watching.